How do you keep from running out of miles and points or travel rewards? Making sure that you always have enough to fly, to travel wherever you want to go. So there's one thing that I'm going to tell you should not do, which is the traditional advice out there, which is open another credit card and earn a big bonus. It's fine to do this here and there, but you don't want to make that your primary means of replenishing your points, because then you're going to end up with too many cards and it's going to become complicated and confusing. I have three recommendations for you that I think work much better. The first one is you want to understand how to pay fewer points for every flight. So that keeps you from needing so many points for every flight or every hotel that you book for free. And we teach you how to do this inside of my family's Fly Free membership. We have all of the best tips and tricks and insider hacks to show you how to never pay the published points price that you see out there. Right along with this is earning the Southwest Companion Pass, which is number 2. And if you're going to be flying in the US and the Caribbean, we recommend Southwest. They are the best airline to fly free. And you want to earn their Southwest Companion Pass because that means one member of your family, of your traveling group, never has to pay any points. And that helps maintain your points balance too. And number 3 is you want to make sure that you are choosing an everyday spending card, both personally and for business if you have a business too. And you want to pick the correct card. This is super important. You want to pick a card that's going to earn you the most points per dollar in the categories that you spend the most. And I always teach picking a flexible card that can transfer to multiple programs. So if you do these 3 things, you're going to always have plenty of points ready to travel. I just interviewed one of my members last week. They had been to 6 different places in the last year, and they were still sitting on 250,000 points because their balance is always being replenished. And me personally, we are going to hit 6 trips this year also, and I'm sitting on about 180,000 Chase points or Southwest points, some combination, and about 200,000 Capital One points. And I've been doing this for years and years. So if you want to not run out of miles and points, follow these instructions and come join us inside Families Fly Free. Well, we will walk you through this step by step.